Morning, everyone. Well, we are a little bit late today. We're hopping in at 7:55. Well, we were on looking at our charts on time, but we didn't get to get the streaming going until just now. But we're setting up for a possible long position. We already took a trade, good trade today. Ended up getting 1% on it. Got a few seconds. I can show you where that was. So that was went long right here. However, we've been, instead of doing market buys, we've been doing limit buys, and it actually didn't get filled until we got back right here, and it actually went up to where our take profit would have been a lot earlier, but then we would have gotten stopped out and we wouldn't have gotten the extra that we got. So we ended up getting filled more around right here. Wait, hold on, no, that's not right. Right here is where we actually wanted to get filled. Would have hit our first level here, but then we got filled right here, and then we shot up, hit our first leg, took some profits, and then our second leg we closed out right here. So for a little bit more, not a ton, but more than we would have otherwise. So yeah, we're up almost 1.1% with that one trade today. So good day so far. And if we can continue what the heck? Oh, goodness. Just getting my screen set up here over here. There we go. Okay. All right. Yeah, so if this pattern continues here, then we'll most likely get a bullish trade signal, which it looks like it is getting ready to do. Okay, make sure we're ready. Okay, got our orders in. Let's see if they get filled here. See, this is kind of what I worry about with doing the limit orders. Yeah, you don't have to deal with the spread. Well, you do, you just deal with it in a different way. Whoa. What in the junk? Oh. Okay, yeah, we have news. Oh! Well, glad we had our limit order. Jeez. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, come on, get up. Come on. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Let's see if we can make some highest highs here. Oh, wow, that was a little wild. I actually ended up getting a better price, but it ended up starting down here. That was a little wild. Come on, get up there. Just a little further, a little more. Keep going, keep going. More, 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 more. Yes. That was nerve-wracking, dude. Gosh. Okay, I'm actually going to set a stop loss on this, which I normally don't do, but I'm going to set it up here at this, basically at the highest high. I think the price eventually is going to want to make its way back up there. So, let's see. Was that 28.83? That should be there. There it is. Okay, but we don't need to be so far away because we got a little bit before it gets up there. Breaking above our 80 level here, which is good. That'd be a separate entry if we weren't already in the middle of a trade. No. Oh. Alright, no candy on this trade. Gosh, why did we get closed at such a crappy price? This should be breaking even. Yeah, I got closed below. Gosh, I hate that. It goes right back up. It's funny. I mean, we did have an entry signal right here. We're below it right now. We wouldn't have hit our level yet, so we could hop in as if to take this trade here before we got stopped out on our second leg. It would have been better to do that when we were all the way down here, though. Yeah, we're just trying to break above this level here. Obviously, there's some rejection toward the idea of bouncing off of that. Yeah, even if we'd hopped in right here, we would have gotten filled there. So we're up 1.5% overall today. And let's get some sound going here. It's too quiet. Come on. Let me move this. Thank you. Oh, I'm curious here. Yeah, I mean, let's see. Yeah. So we're breaking above the bodies of these candles, which is good. Haven't quite made highest highs yet, but we're freaking close though. Man, we were in a really good long position, and then our runner got stopped out because of this stupid candle here. We'd be all the way up here. Ah! Ah! This is stupid. Just kidding. We're up 1.5% today, so we're happy about that. So we're basically not really looking for a whole lot right here. We're just waiting for a pullback to break below the 80 and then a pull back to the upside. Or below the 20. Either way. But we're 2 trades in today. 2 for 2. Starting to wiggle toward the downside over here a little bit. If you get much lower, then this will start going down, looking like a pullback. All right, I gotta figure something out with this music. Let's go with the. We'll go with this. I have an area that'll show my total PL. But then I'd have to do that on all of them. Well, I got nothing better to do right at the moment. Still waiting for this to pull back. Yeah, why not? Let's see if we can figure it out real quick. Alright, don't mind the weirdness that's about to happen. Let's see. Actually, I can just duplicate this. Pretty sure there's a way I can duplicate. Okay, he's still waiting for his pullback. Oh, copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. Alright, so now I have 2, which means I should be able to move. Alright, yeah, alright, bear with me. Bear with me. This will all make sense soon. Just gonna go over and down. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Alt. That's what I want right there. There. Nice. And just to be clear, I will turn that off if I'm having a red day. Just kidding. No one gets to see the losses. Okay, now we gotta actually add that to the other ones. Which one? That one. Okay. Copy. All right, let's put it over here as well. Paste. Okay. Lock. All right, one more. Cool. All right. Well, that wasn't too hard. So we are making highest highs right now. So this is our 4-hour chart. Oh, if you could see better. There we go. So this is our 4-hour chart here. So we are breaking above highest high levels. I imagine we're probably going to get a little bit stuck here, and we'll see that on our 5 and 1 minute charts. Would actually be a really good opportunity for us to get a bit of a pullback here. We bounce off of it a little bit and then retest and break through, and hopefully that would get us into a long position where we can take advantage of the market making highest highs. Definitely not a situation you want to go short. You don't want to be in a short position. Just seems like a bad idea. I want to figure out just like an idle activity that we can do in situations where we're just kind of waiting for the market to come up with some setups. I just was looking up to see if it would be legal, according to YouTube Live, to actually stream some other YouTube videos and, I don't know, do some reactions or whatever. I don't know. I feel like that'd be fine. Have it going on in a top left corner or something. When you turn on the alternative rock free royalty music, it starts rapping. Makes sense. Okay, it's like rap fusion, I guess. I just want to listen to my music. But no. I mean, I guess people do YouTube reactions or video reactions on YouTube, and it's actually something that people do exclusively. So I imagine it'd be fine if I streamed YouTube videos on the side, like streamed like other videos. Does that make sense? I don't know. Today's episode of Matt Loses All His Money Day Trading is brought to you by Rain White Gummy Bear Flavored. The GOAT. Ah. I don't want to say this is my favorite of all my favorite energy drinks, but is the one that I get the most. My favorite is actually a Bang flavor, which you can never find anywhere. The lemon drop Bang flavor. It's so good. It tastes just like those lemon candies, lemon heads. It's just so refreshing. But you can't find it anywhere. Ever since Bang, that weird lawsuit or whatever happened, ownership changed or whatever, it just hasn't been the same. They used to have a champagne flavor. Maybe they still do. You just can't find it anywhere. They had a lychee flavor. That was fire. That was actually way good. But this white gummy bear is pretty freaking good. They actually came out with a new flavor recently that I tried for the first time yesterday. It's like, what do they call it? Oh, I have it right here. The can from yesterday. It's White Haze, which is like a citrus, lemon, lime, grapefruit. Tastes a lot like Squirt, actually, which I actually really liked it. I actually thought it was a white gummy bear when I got it. I wasn't paying attention. And I took a sip. I'm like, what the crap is this? Kind of threw me off a little bit. Yeah, we're still playing with the idea of new highs here. Yeah, it's having a bit of a hard time really breaking through. Let's see, 82, 73. that level on our chart. Get it over here too. Who the heck is calling me? Wait, what? Or even like an idle game, like just something to entertain. I guess. Well, I was just gonna say maybe I do some analysis on some other charts, other instruments, but if I click out of this, I think. Well, let's just look. I think this would make all my markings go away, but whoa! Forgot didn't get rid of these. This is the NASDAQ. All right, well that makes sense. NASDAQ goes down, gold goes up. In general. Let's see. If we were trading the NASDAQ, we would be waiting for this to make a move back down. Just waiting for a bend here. SPXM is probably similar. Yep. Although this isn't bending down on SPXM, so we probably wouldn't get anything on this anytime soon, but we'd be waiting for this to start pointing back up and look for a long position, which seems a bit counterintuitive considering the SPXM and NASDAQ almost move exactly the same. If we were brave enough to trade oil, we would be similar position as SPXM, where we would be waiting for our 5-minute trend intensity index to make its way back up. Look for a long position. Looking for long opportunities overall. Back to gold. Yeah, I haven't deleted all our markings. That's okay. We know there's a level right here approximately. Put it back up here. Yeah, so let's do a quick recap. Our trades for the day. So at market, well, not market open, but at New York open is when we started trading. We took a trade, went long, hopped in right here. First leg got filled up here, second leg got filled over here. Second trade, hopped in right here. First leg got filled here. Then we went down to break even on that second leg. So it's actually kind of annoying. We actually lost $7.60 on that second leg, just because it got filled in a weird place. Not right where we had our stop set at, which was 10 points or 10 ticks above break even. So shouldn't do that, but it's kind of annoying. Just is what it is, I guess. Okay. Looks like we're moving on our 1 minute chart. Breaking above here. So if I were the type of trader to take trades based off of levels and that kind of technical analysis, I would be waiting for a probably a pullback more on the 5 minute chart back to this level, and I would probably have buy orders right at this level right now. Probably wouldn't start putting them on until this candle closed at least though. I mean, maybe we just do it. No! We'd be breaking our rules! We do mock trade though. Just to set this up here. Had a little bit of news happen at 8:30. Just a yellow folder, nothing crazy. Maybe that's what's causing this movement all of a sudden. Doesn't mean anything. Yeah, this is paper trading, mock trades here. If I close that and open it back in, I do have to reset everything. That's all right. You know, we might, if this goes down slow enough, we could actually get a, well, yeah, we're not taking any actual trades unless we get a pullback on our trend index here. But I think there are a lot of other traders who have buy orders at this level here, looking for the breakthrough, the retest, and then looking to make some monies on the confirmation of this breakthrough. So if we make our way down here, we'll do a mock trade, but we're not going to do an actual trade. Just so you know, this level is based off of highest highs on our 4-hour chart from all the way back here from several days ago. Okay, do we make higher highs here? We got higher lows. Do we get higher highs? would we get the pullback we're looking for? Huh. Here's what I should do. So years ago, there's a supplement company called Bucked Up. They're great company, based here in Utah. Anyway, they have really good pre-workout, but they have energy drinks as well. So anyway, years ago, I was a brand ambassador for them. I didn't really do much with it, but maybe I could do that here. I could drink their energy drinks on my lives and promote their product and sell you guys supplements. I think I still have a code. Promo code Buff20. Good days. The energy drinks are usually more expensive. Yeah, these rains are usually like 2 for $5, which I don't know. I think energy drinks are stupid overpriced. Rockstars definitely get you the best value usually, and I like Rockstars. One of the GOAT flavors, in my opinion, is the what do they call it? Hardcore apple. Just a really, really good green apple flavor. Gosh. Well, I mean, it's not pulling back yet. It is getting stuck, though. Oh. And if you're curious about what this charting platform is, it's called Green Chart. I really, really like Green Chart a lot, mostly because it is probably the easiest platform to back test on. I've literally back tested probably 10,000, at least 10,000 trades, probably more. Oh yeah, easily well over 10,000, probably closer to 20. But yeah, you can, in fact, I could show you. We could go to this morning, and I could actually show you the trade that I took this morning. Very first thing. So just pull out our simulator here. Let's see, for 100 ticks, 400 ticks. So this was at New York Open this morning. By my legs. Would have gotten filled. I actually didn't get filled right here. Ended up getting filled right here. And then won our first leg here. And then we rode this runner out for a little while, closed it out right there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, back to live. Yeah, no pullback to this this level here. It could still happen. And then on our 1 minute chart here, we've been stuck here for a good while. This is probably getting pretty flimsy up here, so if this does start moving back down toward here, this will more than likely break below our 80 level here, which means if it does bounce off of this, show support here, we will actually get a signal to hop in and go long here. So it is very possible we get another trade in. And if we don't, we're happy with our 1.5% return. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, this is pretty flimsy up here, so it doesn't take a lot of movement toward the downside to start bending down here. If we actually broke down below the 20 level as we were making our way back down here, that would actually be ideal. We're not missing anything, are we? Yeah, that's highest highs for sure. So we're getting some divergence between our indicators and the price action here. So this is going up more so overall, and this is continuing to move down after we made this move down here. So I mean, usually that means it's gonna kind of make its way back down again. I don't think we're gonna see a big breakthrough just quite yet. And again, take what I say on technical analysis at face value, because I don't actually take trades based off of the technical analysis of the price action and whatnot. I take trades based off of our trend intensity indicators. But it is good to know how to do technical analysis. But yeah, technically you could trade my strategy without even seeing the candles at all. Like if I wanted to, I could just make, oh. That's not supposed to happen. There's a way you can delete the candles completely. Yeah, so continue to make our way back down here a little bit. We are breaking down below our 80 level. Making our way back toward this level, which should be support at this point. And if it takes a couple bars to get down there, that's a little bit better even, because then we'll be breaking down below our 20 here, and once we start bending back up, then we can hop in for a long position. But I think I think a lot of people are going to have buy orders right here, so I doubt we really break through this a whole lot at all. Yeah, we probably just poke it. I'ma poke it. News events. No. So we would really like this to close below our 20 level, and then we can hop in on, most likely hop in our first confirmation candle over here. Just getting my trade queued up. No, I want this to go back down a little bit more. Okay, so this is still pointing down. So as long as there aren't any crazy moves, we are still in the running to look at going long here in just a second. Okay, all right, definitely broke down here. So now we're just looking to take a long position when we close with our index pointing up. So back toward the up. Oh. Oh, interesting. Oh my gosh, I hate this song. I've never heard this song, but I hate this type of music. Gosh. Okay, this is actually, if this closes, if the body of this candle closes, or price closes above this level, this is actually strong rejection, which is very indicating a want to keep moving up, which is actually perfect considering what we're looking to do once this starts bending up. Go with a market buy. Ooh. Okay, not quite, but probably right here. Just before 9 o'clock. Get some 9 o'clock magic going here. I actually hope it goes down a little bit. Get a little better entry than if we had entered right here. Spreads are getting a little crazy though, so we'll probably do a limit. Okay, that is if we are bending up, which we're not. 3 seconds. Okay, not yet. see, I got my order here pending. Okay, we are actually starting to bend over here. I actually don't remember if we were bending when we were getting close to enter here, but if this is all bending down just from moving from here to here, then that means we would actually need to get our price back up to here, which means we're probably not going to get an entry based off of this starting to bend up, and we'd have to be looking at crossing back through this 80 level. Yeah, okay, well, I don't think we're actually going to be getting another look here. So we stop we stop trading here in just a minute. So unless we just get one massive candle just shooting up, breaking above our 20, this gets maxed out all at the same time, then we're gonna settle with our 1.5% return today. Yeah, definitely a lot of action around this level here. And it could be that we just, on our 4-hour chart here, could be that we just completely reject off of this. Maybe make our way down to the bottom of this channel here, or maybe even the 50 moving average. Seems to be reacting to that a little bit. Oh, this music is just so epic. So epic. Okay. Yeah, so we are pointing down. This is up, so if we were to look at taking another trade today, we'd have to wait for this to start pointing up. But yeah, just again, we'll just recap our trades for the day. Close that. Just stop it. Get out of here. Okay. So, what's going on? First buy was right here. Got filled on our first leg here. Closed our second leg out here for 40. Let's see, almost 0.5%, just over 0.5%. And we took another trade here. First leg got filled here. Second leg went back down to break even. Technically lost a couple bucks there. So that, oh, you can't even see what I'm looking at. But yeah, first leg on our second trade made $47, almost 0.5%, and then lost a few bucks on our break-even leg, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. But yeah, like I said, we're pretty happy with our 1.5% return today, so thanks for watching. We'll be here New York Open on Monday. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.